Hey everyone, Jonathan Banks with Banks Outdoors. We're out at the farm here today putting up some new blinds, and today we'll be installing a locking handle on our new Sequoia. Alright, so the first step to installing our locking handle will be to remove the old one. So what I like to do is, I like to have the door in a closed position so I can remember the orientation of the old handle when it's time to install the new one. Now that I've got that, I'll drill out the center cap. What that's going to do is expose a flathead screw. We'll remove that. Now our old handle is going to pop right off. Next we'll take our new handle and our new screw in the same orientation as the old handle was taken off. Now we'll take our replacement cap, push that in there. There you have it, the locking handle.